What the whiteboard is it actually kind of goes hand in hand with our tool tracker process. It is used to track manually everything that is needed on our trailers at both of our Hubbard and our Belmont locations. So what that tracks, and is actually used across our field services group altogether, is it tracks what an enclosed trailer may need. Each of our trailers, we have roughly 100 enclosed, we call horse trailers. Each of them are stocked with tools for specific types of work. So we have electrical trailers, pulling trailers, tubing trailers, civil trailers, mechanical trailers, etc. Each one of those is stocked with specific tooling. The whiteboard tracks all of the tools that may be missing. That is, we put that in manually. So that would be, if we are completed building a trailer, there might be items on that trailer that are missing. So we put them on there, and it's a more efficient way of versus going to a piece of paper that might be in a folder. This kind of smacks you in the face, letting you know, hey, this trailer is gonna be sent out to a job site tomorrow and it's still missing that. There are roughly 80 trailers that we track. Each location between Belmont and our Hubbard location track specific trailers according to what those warehouses stock. So at our Belmont location, we're stocking electrical trailers, pulling trailers, to where our Hubbard location does more of our oil and gas side of things. So each of the trailers are kind of designated for each division with that. We also track locations of the trailers, so those are all done by color. So when a trailer goes to a job site, we transfer it in our tool tracker software. We then go to our whiteboard, notate our transfer ticket number, that's coming from our tool tracker software, the transfer date, and the job number it went to. That is placed in green. So when you look on our transfer sheets on our boards, our whiteboards, and you see anything in green, that means it is not at our location. So in a quick snapshot, that is what our whiteboard's used for. It's a quick snapshot to let you know what's going on. If you see anything in red, that means that it might need attention. So for a mechanic's standpoint, we put on there, if a trailer is due for an annual inspection, a federal annual inspection, we notate on there on red. The mechanic goes to that and sees that, okay, hey, this trailer's due for an inspection. He goes, does the physical work to it, comes back to the board, notates the next date of that. If it needs tires, the trailer comes back from a job site and we're like, wow, this trailer needs tires. We'll notate that on there on red. The mechanic goes to the board and says, okay, trailer 52 needs tires. He goes, does the physical repair of it, comes back, he erases it off the board, we know it's completed. If it's in blue, we do all this by color, so it's a quick snapshot. If it's in blue, it means it's here at our location and it is ready to go. So it's fully stocked to the tools needed, or it could be a landscape style trailer to where the tires are good, it's ready to be pulled at any point in time. So if you were to come in and say, I need a landscape trailer today, we would go to the board and say, okay, trailer 20 is listed in blue, the annual inspection's good because we keep that date on the board, you're good to use that trailer.